Are you ready today, people? Are you ready? Let's go! Hope you're having a fantastic day. Welcome to the radio show, Eivindfx. Sorry about that. Welcome to the, what do you call it? Eivindfx does it again on gold. Oh, it was amazing. It is fantastic. It is what it is supposed to be. Hopefully the noise today. No, sorry. The microphone is correct. Yes, it is. Yes, mate. Oi, oi, oi. It's going to be a good day, right? It's going to be a good day. So today we're going to go through what is really happening in the market, why is stop losses being hit all the time, and have we ever got any take profit? Let's see. I hope that every single one of you 13 fantastic viewers are subscribed and that you like this content that I'm going to give today. And something wrong with my mic? What's wrong with the microphone? What's wrong with the microphone? Is it the wrong microphone? No. Microphone is on. Do. Good afternoon. Sound check 1 2 3. Sound check 1 2 3. Let's see if it still works. If not, I'll ditch it. Sound check 1 2 3. Good. So if you today are wondering if there is anyone out there that you should maybe try to get funded from, maybe you should try to a sponsor.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Keybet is in the house. Well, is it too high? Is it too loud for you guys today? Sorry. It's Thursday. that was a noink. Anyways, so let's go to today. I sold euro dollar earlier today. Okay. It's there. Yep. So yesterday in the stream of daily setups, maybe we should do giveaways of that. I actually didn't think of that one actually, but maybe we should do some daily setups giveaways. I mentioned this trade. I don't know, Keybet, how is daily setups? Is that good? I don't know, like, is there anybody else in there? Otto, how's daily setups? Is that a good place to be? Or is it like, meh? Nah. I don't know where I get that from. Should we look at the neighbors today? No, okay, there was actually people there. Whoops. Dang. Yeah, like what's the feedback on the daily setups? I try to do my best, you know. We meet every Monday for Thursday. It's great. Man, this is great. I don't see you there, Manny, though, but that's not an issue. But yeah, you see the recordings that you all have access to. Dollar is falling. Perfect B to be a trader certified. Boom. Oh, we forgot the Manny's biggest or most important attribute. Oh, this is dirty. This is like dirty as a, what is the baby bum? I don't know, I haven't seen Mem yet. I haven't seen any ladies here. So I'm just going to do all my bad jokes now. I sent a video to Harold yesterday. I just wish I could share with all of you. It's so funny. Oh, it's so funny. It's so funny to watch. Well, he was like, nope, that's unsafe for YouTube. Nope, that's unsafe. You know, I'm not depressed. I'm not crying yet, but I need to laugh. You know, because my euro-dollar trade is going fantastically in loss at the moment. So yeah, Eurocat has been Calvin. That's pretty nice. And then tomorrow there's going to be a giveaway. I haven't decided what to give away. I have a small poll on my Discord. It's all free to be on my Discord. It's Discord there. Oh, I put it in the wrong chat even. Okay. So I asked earlier today. First of all, I made some sandwiches for my wife yesterday, for lunch to this morning, and as you can see, I was a bit hungry. I don't know. Maybe it's just my own humor. I can laugh by myself. I can post my own laughing, crying emoji. Then I will post my own laughing, crying emoji. So no. So the poll this morning was, what should I give away tomorrow? And it's even 2 words. I can't even spell English. My English is second language, not my first language. Mentorship, more than $100, or something else. Nobody says something else. Everyone says mentorship. So I don't know. I can't say language. Yeah. Do you know what? You know, I'm not good. Well, her reaction was like, "Hey man, why is there a bite of my sandwich? Why did you eat of my pizza baguette?" Yeah, I have people to give away, Calvin. If you are looking for a doctor, I have a doctor friend that's looking for a boyfriend. So yeah, in case. And I have probably a lawyer as well that wants to get married. But anyways, S&P 500. Happy man. That's why I'm here. Yeah, isn't the one that the best one to camouflage its own emotion the best one. No, the one that is the one that is the happiest is the one that is most sad. I don't know, little clown. Anyways, S&P 500 went up for 2 days and then went back down for 1 day. So that just shows you. Yesterday I said it was bearish market. I also said that yesterday in the daily setups. I'm like, no, I'm not going to take it. And of course, this morning it has just to the downside. So I can't trade it. So we'll go to something else. Nasdaq, another one. We are like, okay, another one going down to the what do you call it? Not church mice, but like down to the trenches. Still bullish. Mr. Miro said that yesterday that I guess that's the big rise here is those high level money started to buy. The big hedge fund managers or hedge funds or whatever you call them, pension funds, that doesn't want to declare what they're actually buying in the real market because it's sensitive to the market. And then where's June, 1st of June, around 1st of June. Okay, not so much buying here though. Okay, fair enough. But at least there was a big influx yesterday, 16th of May. That is not yesterday. This is on 2 days ago, Monday. Okay, so we'll just have to look for it. I'm gonna tell your wife you have opened up a dating site. She doesn't watch the stream, so I can just talk whatever I want about her. The problem is, she wants to remain silent in the shadows, in the bushes. Not that I pushed her in the bush, but what did I drink today? The mule. Okay. I guess I'm my own show today then. Aussie dollar. 69.86 was the plan yesterday. Right now we are somewhere in between. doesn't look great. I feel like we're gonna push higher today in New York. I don't want it to happen, but I feel like, why are we not falling, right? Why are we still stuck? So if it breaks above 70, 40, 70, 60, 70, 50 level, this is short-term bullishness. So for me, though, it's kind of like, well, I don't know. I don't know. I just want this to fall, you know? Nothing else. I don't know if you guys are not reacting to what I just said and pushing my wife into the bush, or you guys are just being silently like, Eivind, what are you doing? The other one is euro is 105.50. Well, Aussie dollar, sorry. So stop loss is definitely just above previous high on this one. That was the wrong one. Previous high here. Not too many pips actually. It's very sweet, loving, tender care. That is 41, 47, 50 there. So it's a good one. We are yet to figure out if it's going to be profitable or not, but currently it's just around entry price. It will go down. Aussie is very bearish on COT. Yes, so that's what I hope for, right? But for some reason there was like an influx of, well, everything, all there's gonna be growth, woohoo, whoa, 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 you know, yesterday or on 17th of May, our national holiday. Boom, congratulations with the freedom. And after that we had a pullback, but I'm just wondering if that is just a normal day pullback. You know, it went down to target, went down to M2, went up to R1. So I don't know. Maybe it was just a good. Maybe we should just have it as a good buy for today, and then maybe it'll reach higher. But for those people, but I'm definitely a seller. I want this to fall. I'm just wondering why it doesn't fall. That makes me a bit worried. But apparently, we have to wait. It was toodaloo. Euro is making fantastic progress to the upside against my will, so I feel like a hostage at the moment. Stop loss. I said 105.50. Crap. Why didn't I read the charts? Where's my broker? Don't go past the plus. No stop us now. Come on, go down again. Go. And what if I order 105.50? That's not what I want. That's not what I wanted. I wanted 105.70 probably. Gonna change that one. Yeah, that's above previous high. So, stop loss Euro USD sell SL modified to 105.70. So, there you are. What am I in loss right now? $30. No, 30 pips, sorry. New Zealand dollar, what a fantastic sell trade. Wow. Okay, so now we need to make some math here, okay, people? Now we need to make some math. This is 130 pips. Okay, 130 pips. Have we, if this breach is higher, are we now officially then have a turnaround? I didn't expect it, to be honest, but it looks like a perfect reversal. So I'm just gonna watch in dread that this is going higher, and then I will probably go to bed and cry. Good morning, Eivind. Why is dollar hesitant to shoot up so much? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm moaning about this morning is the lack of rise in dollar. It's more like the fall in dollar. So right now it seems like they're pricing in almost like they're pricing interest rates hikes coming for the summer. So yeah, okay, cool. Well, it's only one trade though, £1 euro though, but it hurts. Sorry seems to be the hardest word. So I don't know what to say, even. I don't know what to say. So let's just say that if it breaks higher now. So could you have bought this one? Could you be like, Ivan, you're wrong. Yes, I'm wrong. Yes, we could have bought it actually. It was a bit deep pullback. And also the fall was like 70 pips. So yes, it has been possible because the market is open. It's just that it doesn't agree with what I believe should happen. So for me though, it's kind of like, well, you know, I understand, because if market went as far as I wanted it to be, like that, and then that will be a totally different scenario right now, right? So I wouldn't say it's 50-50 per se, but it's not far off. I assume dollar would be strong today due to stock market taking a dive to yesterday. Well, the thing is, those markets are kind of efficient. So even though stock market falls now, also dollar will fall now, or it's not like the next day. It's more like the next day when you're talking about Asia doing bad things, then Europe will do bad things, and New York will do bad things. That's kind of the more flow of the next session of the next day, just because the dollar market is open after the stock market. So even though you're like, well, the stock market rose by the end of the session, dollar still moves, right? Yeah. So seems like I'm wrong today, but okay. I can live with that loss. We made money last week though. So you know, can't really complain that, can I? Why is my chair so low? Okay, let's go over to some more educational situation here. So in a market that Eivindfx sees, that's a low. Everyone can see that, right? And in that session, or in that scenario, we have a couple of things you want to see. First of all, you want it to back up to resistance. In some markets, we only go up to like 104.50 and then falls. So in what do you call those markets? In your brain, you should have a couple of trade plans. This is all possibilities. Now, when does this happen? Why did it fail now, and why is it like different now? So if you look at this market, for example, we made a low here. Okay, you can see that we come back again, right? Why am I saying all the time? And you will see this is the target, and you will see this is the sell for next week. That was a central pivot. Now, in a market, this is kind of this is aggressive, right? This is plan A. In a more defensive market, this is plan B. And in a very, I don't know, defensive market, this is plan C. So that is kind of what you think generally is going to happen almost every time. Okay? Yeah, okay. Fair enough, mate. So for right now, plan A worked out this week or that week. Plan A worked out that week. And then plan A worked out that week, but this week plan B worked out. So, or almost. So you don't really know ahead of time which market is going to be working out for you. And it seems like for this week, which is different from last week, we are seeing the failure of plan A. Okay. We see the failure of plan B. Okay. Then we have plan C. Did you trade NOK? Let me see if I can find a USD NOK trade for you, eh? Let's see. Yeah, that's a good one, Poppy. That's a good one, Poppy. I mentioned this one on, I think it was on Sunday. So when we were here, I said I'm going to put a limit order. And I think that was Sunday live stream. I did that. So far, that has been very great. If you have any pairs you want me to cover, please mention that so I can do that before I fall asleep. I'm not going to fall asleep today. Because today, I have a meeting at 6 and 45 minutes. Yeah, okay. So we're gonna hang around for some other minutes. So don't worry. We haven't done gold yet though, which is my love kid this today. But yeah. So about USD NOK, is that good enough for you? Yeah. Nah. You just have to have a bigger account, Poppy. Just have to have a bigger account. If you really want to trade USD NOK though. You know, it's totally up to you if you want to, but I did so. Brandon and Calvin says Eurocad, and Brandon says Cat Swassi. So all right, I was totally wrong about this one apparently. Okay. So the market that I say is very chop. I hate that market. That's my opinion. You probably would like to see, well, this is a range. And you probably want to be buying down here, for example. And then you would say, yes, that was actually M2. That is your buy price there. This morning. Can you believe that was your buy price, your buy price, your buy price, your buy price? Now, there's nothing else to do here. If you want to sell in a range, you will need to take me so far away. All the way up to 137 level. So for yesterday was a better day. So the story here is the story is Eurocad is at range. 137.40 is your take profit. Okay, fair enough, mate. It's more like lemon more than Lennon, but fair enough. I can live with that. Oy. Yeah. Nick said on stream, I think it was Monday or Tuesday or whatever. He said he's like, yeah, Cat Swiss is my new favorite. Pair. It always goes up. How wrong can you be, right? How wrong can you be? I didn't buy it, but I was like, when everyone believes it's going to go up, it's probably going to go down. And when it now falls, it's a free fall. The curse of YouTube. No, it's not the curse of YouTube, it's just the curse of you're too late, mate. So, euro dollar. I was a bit fast, sorry. Action, euro dollar. You know, I'm fast for responding to your fantastic comments. But if you're buying a trend, mate, you know, you're supposed to be down here, right? This is where you're supposed to be buying. This is take profit. This is like way too late. It's like 500 pips too late, and you're like wondering, how do you know that, mate? Because there is your buy zone. There is your buy zone. But there is your take profit. And it's spot on, mate. So, Nick, if you ever see this channel, can somebody take this clip and send it to Nick and say, and I will say one thing, Nick. Please use pinpoint monthly targets. It will help you much better, because right now you're buying into a market that is taking profit. Okay, it's one dude to another dude. Okay, no. Let's do something here, people. Should we troll Nick a bit? I just want to troll Nick a bit. Okay? Are you? Oh, should we troll Nick? Yes or no? For those who don't know, that's Trader Nick with 300,000 followers, subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so that is take profit. And then, oops, I think, yeah, probably a buy, probably. Okay, move it around. Move it around. Why am I singing today? Am I like a singing bird? And then we make those orange. I know he's like, yeah, I know, you know. I didn't know, you know. Something like that. So take profit at 78 flat, give or take. Then let's keep it that. And he says no. I say yes. And he says no. I said yes. Save chart. Okay, maybe wrong ones. Copy chart. Go to Discord, A1 community, and trading chat, and we will just do that, and then add trader Nick. Told you. What should we type in here, people? What should we type? Take profit. Just waiting for that one to come, right? Son. Hi, Theo. Anyways, that was fun. I'm just he would laugh about it anyways. He would laugh about it anyways. He doesn't. We are mates. We are good friends. Hashtag not sponsored, by the way. The curse of YouTube, yeah. So what is your view on pound dollar? The what you learn. Yeah, I'm teaching you guys good manners, you know. I'm teaching you guys, because I don't talk about it, I just show you, right? I just show you how to do it. So the course, the way of pound dollar has been pretty bearish. I think that is pretty evidently. We have come up to 125. We fell. We haven't made a lower low down to 121, which I would like to see. So the question is that going to happen this week or not? So what am I expecting? Let me see if I can show you what I expect. I expect a life of humor. If there's anyone who's like singing coach in here, I apologize. I apologize fiercely. So, if we have like a bearish trend, like this is the bearish trend on pound, we're coming into, that was the bottom of 18th, maybe we're at the bottom of 18th. Then around 25th, which is a Monday, it's a buy. And then first again is another buy. So this is kind of like what I hope to see is we make a bottom and then we trend reverse, and then we go bullish. Buy here. Somewhere around there. So I am right now in between my so that is around there. I'm dreaming of profits all night. Yeah. And probably there something like that. Everyone, this is what I expect for the coming days. Oh no. Okay. Good. So, right now on pound, we are bottoming out. So that is around 13th. So that's a bit 3 days earlier, I guess. So yeah. So we just have to see though. If we make a higher high here, then I'm all out on my sells. But we'll see. So that kind of goes for all the dollar pairs. Ja då, flott det. Maybe some of Frank Sinatra would probably help me. I don't know. No. What do I normally play for you guys? I normally play what do I normally play for you guys? Kygo with happy feet, I think. Happy dance, happy feet, dancing feet, probably. Yeah. So if you're in the Zoom meetings, I normally put that on, and it's pretty dancey. Hello, Frankie. Oh, sorry, Frank. It was Maury. Sorry, I added the Y at the wrong place. Sorry. BT Router. Hello. Did I miss gold? Yes, you did, mate. Let's go to gold. So gold was fantastic. Yesterday we were celebrating within ourselves, and then we were like, aha! It was a good trade, as long as it lasted. So with my arrows pointing out, with where the levels are pointed out, it has gone. Oh, Bram! All right, okay. I think. Well, I'm sorry, Bram. Then I apologize. Apologies. Sorry, you can't even see it. Sorry. Apologies. So for right now, the thing has passed. So right now on gold, I would be a bit more cautious. Frank says, "Sup?" I was like, "What's up, man?" Wait, what do you mean? Is it only for subscribers today that I can chat? Man, I'm so sorry. Why did nobody tell me? Oh, well, sorry, mate. Sorry. It wasn't. Well, I ticked it off because you have to change it every time, you know. I thought it was for everyone. I do apologize for that. It's $30 a day safe number to expect from a winning trade from you. Oh, Frank. Oh, that's a whole. Well, sorry, I don't know if you've been brainwashed by YouTube, but I can tell you one thing for free. $30 a day all depends on your account size. If you have $1 million, $30 is very little. If you have $100, $30 is a lot. So, I would say do not have a monetary expectation of every single day you're going to hit a specific target, because it's like this is going back to school. In school, you were told if you put monetary targets, KPIs for leaders, they will only do that. So if you say that you are going to have, or if you're going to have, or quantify, if you're going to have 30 new accounts opened every month for your business, if you can't find 30 new accounts every month, what do? You create fake accounts. Hashtag Wells Fargo. So, and then you have a lot of new customers, a lot of new accounts, but you don't even really have real business. So I would say to you, I would say test the strategy so well that you know what to expect every single day, every single week, every single month, every single year in returns. So it's all depending on what the market gives you. That's a healthy target. Always focus on the process. Always focus on, are you in those trades you're supposed to be in? And if you're not in those trades, why are you not? You know, so for me, I don't have a goal of $30 a day or $50 a day or whatever. I have a general goal of 8% a month. Sometimes I don't hit it. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do more than that. So it's the average. Because I don't want you to lose. I know that setting $30 a day target makes me more frustrated than necessary, right? So I would also, okay, let me do this then, bro. Okay, let me do this. Take one period and say you're gonna make $30 a day. It's realistic, by the way. It's realistic. Okay, so you do $30 a day, and then you go to my theory over the same time period, if it's a month or 2 weeks or whatever it is, and you say you are only going to trade your setups. You're only going to trade until you target. You're only going to trade what you're supposed to be trading, according to your rules of engagement, according to the market, current market situation. And I want you to know the results. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you, test those things. I know what the answer should be. I know what the answer is because I've done this before for myself, but I don't know you, right? So I would tell you, test it out, see what fits, come back to me with the results. Now, when you have the results and you have tested out the $30 a day, and the other one is being led by the market conditions and being led by market beta, because what I can tell you for free, okay? What I can tell you is, if you are looking for $30 a day, what about those days it went for $50? What about those days it went extra and beyond and way? And what if the market did the move you were expecting in the entire month? It did that in 3 days. Are you then not going to have profit for the rest of the month? Are you not going to trade for the rest of the month? Be tactical. Be clever about it, and be clever and smart and tactical about it. Don't be like, well, I'm gonna just put $30 into it. I think this is gonna go great. That's not how the world works. Kamal says, calm down, dude. Okay, I'm calm. I'm pretty calm. Sorry, mate. I won't go back to laughing. Any idea how far S&P 500 will fall? Nope. Samsung, I do apologize for that. I want to ask, would $20,000 or 20K, sorry, be a good starting balance and rising 0.5% per trade? Would you recommend one pair or fewer? AR. I'm always going to say this, okay? I'm always going to say this, no matter where you are from, whatever. I do not care about your account size. You can tell me you have 100,000. You can tell me 100. 100 will. Below 500, I will be a bit worried. Risking 0.5% per trade is good. I love that. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now, the other part is you need to then have profitable strategy, tested your emotions, so that when you start trading real money, you know all the lumps and fall grounds and manholes, so you don't dig yourself into a bad run of, let's say you're losing 10 trades in a row and you start revenge trading, you start over trading, you start, I would call it emotional trading. But that's that. The other thing is AR. I don't know all your YouTube names and your Discord names and your real names, but have we had a Zoom call, AR? That's all. By the way, it's free for everyone to request a Zoom call if you already have. It's only one though, so if you had already, then it's not for you anymore. But generally, I give out one free Zoom call for 1 hour where we talk about your strategy, talk about anything, everything that you might wonder about for 1 hour, and then sometimes even more than an hour. But yeah, that is that. Okay. So my philosophy is test. I can tell you my strategy. I can tell you what I do. But I know out there is other ways to row. But I'm not going to change. Even though people want me to. So for gold, it was to sell 17th of May. 2 days ago, it was to sell at 1830. Now it went back up again. Now I am a bit more cautious on gold. I will be like, okay, what do we do now? I will just wait. Wait for a new setup. Wait for something new that can happen so that we can. Because right now I don't want to sell right now. The reason for why is that we made very quick grounds higher. That is always a bad sign. We haven't made any lower lows yet. We haven't rolled around yet. So right now I'm just going to be, okay, that was a good trade. If it's break even or stop loss or whatever, take profit or whatever it is for you. I don't know. But that was a good plan. And then we are out. The other one that I also want to go through is oh, I'm so sorry, people. Okay. Oil is falling. Sorry. It is what it is. I can't explain to you other than it isn't performing as I would like to. It's still at 103, still very high. But we made a trade. And we made some money, but it was money here, not, and then after that we just didn't work out, mate. Sorry. Lord Teeny says, ha. So you wouldn't sell gold at M3 again? I think my emotions have got the better of me, Miro. No, it's just the dollar falling at the moment. And we're coming into a market where, well, since I didn't get the aggressive market, which is this market, right? That's what I wanted, right? This is what I was seeing. Since I don't get that aggressive market anymore, I would be more cautious. It's all about adapting to the market conditions the market is giving you. Lord Trini says, isn't there a rate hike? Yeah, there's plenty of rate hikes. That doesn't mean that gold will not rise for 2 days and take all your money and then go back down again. So we still need to do technical analysis, even though oops, that was wrong place. Yeah, you didn't get the memo. He didn't get the memo. The way dollar is falling doesn't look it will go as planned. Yeah, that's you know, what can I say, people? It's like if you are out in traffic. I'm not out in traffic. That's a bit too much risky, but that's a bit too suicidal. But if you walk along the road without a footpath and you see a car speeding down the downhill towards you, would you move closer to the road or away from the road? So, you know, that's kind of how I'm thinking about it, is that, you know, once you see traffic or once you see the market going against you, you're like, I'm not a part of that. Not today. I don't. Flott stop loss on euro dollar there. Or it's not. It's almost. It's 105.48. It's like 20. Is it 20? Two pips away from it. Well, okay. Sorry peeps. Didn't go today. Or no more last week, so. I meant you were being mean by closing for non-subscribers. Ma'am, it wasn't. It was seriously not intentional. It was, you know, I'm a good dude. Bro. I'm a good dude, ma'am. Yeah, okay, fair enough. So, if you want to beat Oliver today, I think we need to. I don't know. Should we go to the playground and kick some sand, maybe? I don't know. Go and kick some trees. Yeah, there was. Yeah, okay. I think we're pretty stagnant with the beginning of the live, so I didn't make a lot of people extra subscribe to my channel if they don't want to. So yeah, it's the glasses. Anyways, it's the glasses. Yeah, it's the glasses. All right, people. What do we do now? We probably gonna collect ourselves together. Look at dollar falling. Probably find a glass of Ribena, I think it's called in English. Ribena, whatever you call it. I call it Ribena. Drown our sorrows, come up with a better plan so we can crush it again. This week has been profitable on gold. It's been not profitable on euro, I would say. Also, it was profitable for a couple of hours. It was great knowing you. What else happened this week? USD NOK has done great. So, Nat Gas, last one I'm just going to mention to you. Nat Gas. Oh yeah, I haven't updated that one then. So, I'm just going to update it for you then. But there. Good night. If you want to be subscribed, that's up to you. If you don't, that's not up to you. But we are making money anyways on some other trades. Have a good day. Boom. I don't have any opinion on pound yen at the moment. DXY is pulling back. Retested the weekly resistance. For bulls next week, check the XY chart. Don't worry, all your setups will come to profit next week. Yeah, I'm just waiting for it.